Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I have done a thick black eyeliner look. It was all about the liquid eyeliner today. I've done a dramatic liquid eyeliner with big voluminous lashes. I just really wanted to concentrate on the liner today, make it the star of the show, so there's no eyeshadow going on. So dolls, if you want to see how this look was done, then carry on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you dolls in my next post. So I'm going to grab my spoolie and I'm going to brush out the brows. I have a flat angle brush and I have just dipped into the Anastasia Beverly Hill pot and I'm going to go in on my brows. Okay, I know my brows look crazy right now, but this is why you have to trust the process. It will all work out in the end, I promise. It will all work out in the end, trust me. I'm going to get my MAC pot NC42. See that? All you need is concealer and you can sort your brows out, I'm telling you. Handy little beauty blender, I love this little. Okay guys, so my brows are done. Just gonna move on to priming my eyelids and just put minimal color because it's all about the liner today. So I'm going to jump straight into my PLouise base. This is in Rumour 03 and I'm going to pop that on my lids. Even though I'm not doing eyeshadow where I will need a base, I'm just doing like one shade of very neutral color because it's all about the liner, as I said previously. So but I still want to put a base on my lid because I do like that look with the thick liner. So we are going to go into this palette and I'm going to be using this shade here. Just going to grab a fluffy brush. Okay, so to do my liner, I'm going to use this liner. It is the Better Than Sex TooFaced liquid liner. I like this liner because it dries really matte. It's very easy to use. The pencil on it as well is very nice. It's like structured, it's quite stiff. So I do enjoy using this pencil. I'm gonna zoom my camera in so you can see exactly how I do it. Look crazy, like a moon face right now. Half of my head is cut out, but I just want to show you guys like a close-up of how I do it. So I normally start, to be fair, I start anywhere. Sometimes I start at the end and then connect it. Sometimes I start in the inner corner and then connect it. So I'm gonna just start with the inner corner. With my first couple of strokes, I try to get really, really close to the lash line. So I do that first. guys, so I have done my dramatic cat eye. Yes, it is a lot. It's a thick cat eye because I want it to stand out. You know, it is quite difficult putting on liquid eyeliner when you first start out, but then after you just kind of get used to it, just like every other thing that you have to get used to while doing makeup. There's numerous different ways to put on liquid eyeliner. That's just the way I do it, and there's obviously different sizes that you can do as well. It's a lot easier if you hold the side of your eye when you're doing it. For the video purposes, I just did it without doing that, just less distraction. But yeah, you just hold the side of your eye. It's a lot easier to apply, or put a sticky tape so that when you do go over this part, your wing, you can get like a really nice wing if you use the sticky tape method. I've also seen a dot to dot method where you put dots and you just connect them. I've never tried that method, but yeah, there's all different ways to do it, so don't be scared. Try it, okay? Just try it out because I love a wing. I love it. So what we're going to do now is move on to the face. Get the face together, then the eyes will come together. Oh, actually no, I'm going to put on my lashes. So I'm going to go in with my Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to just put some on my lashes before I apply my falsies. This helps to grip the lash when you put it on. So I always put on mascara before I put on my fake lashes. Concealer also comes in handy if you do your eye makeup first, because you could always go in and help to shape up your wing if it's not perfectly how you want it. Okay guys, so the lash glue that I've just used to apply my lashes is the Duo lash glue, and the lashes that I'm using is just some random lashes that I got from eBay. I've actually doubled them to give them that fluffy dramatic look. That's the first time, this is the first time I'm ever doubling lashes as well, so I'm trying out something new. But I wanted really dramatic lashes for this look. I think it looks so nice when you have a thick wing and a full like set of lashes. So that is what I've done. I might even go as far as putting single lashes underneath. Let's see how I feel by the end of this look, guys. Trying out new stuff. Then I'm just going to go back underneath my eyes now, and I'm going to just get rid of the concealer that I've just put on there, and I've let it set. I'm going to grab my Born This Way foundation in colour caramel, and I'm going to pop that on. Wait, before I do that, I need to prime my face. I'm going to use my Angel Veil primer. TooFaced MAC powder. It's a foundation, but it's like a powdered foundation, but I like to use it on top of my actual foundation. Grab a fluffy brush. So I've already applied one concealer already, which was the MAC pot. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This color is in light tan, so I'm gonna get in there directly with the applicator. Love this applicator because it's just so perfect to get under the eyes and get into little places. Then I'm gonna go straight in with my HD concealer. This is from NYX. It's really light, so I always add a little touch of that on top to get those areas extra light. And I'm also going to go in with my other concealer from NYX, and this is Cocoa, and I'm going to use that to contour with. I really like this brown. It's not too dark for me. It's like perfect for my skin tone and to conceal with. Gonna go in with my baking powder, lace baking powder from Makeup Revolution. I think this is a very good baking powder and it was not expensive at all. I can't remember the price of it, but it was not expensive and it really does do the job. Yes, Square Beauty Blender. This gets right in the areas that I want that powder to be distributed. I'm feeling that. So I'm going to grab my Hoola. This is from Benefits. They give you a little brush inside. I don't really use it. Sometimes I do just to get that little, if I'm trying to get that sharpness of my contour, then I will use that brush. But I'm just going to use a normal little blending brush. And I'm gonna put that over the contour that I just did. And I really do like the color of this bronzer because it's really soft. It's like a really soft brown, so it's not harsh at all. So I do like this for especially like daytime look. You know, in the night, if I'm doing like a night look, I'm going out, I might use like a harsher bronzer, harsher brown to, I don't know, make the makeup just stand out a bit more. But as this is in the day, I think this is perfect for it. And I also use it for this actually. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to brush off the powder because I never let this sit too long. You know, I do like a bright light underneath my eye, but not too much because I don't like that sometimes. Okay, I don't like it. Get back into my MAC Studio Fix and I'm just gonna pop that all over my face to try and just like even out everything, even out the contour and the baking powder and all of that stuff that I just did. The MAC Pinch O Peach blusher. I just think a blush is a blush really, as long as it's giving that color. I don't think you need to get a special type of blush. Using this Makeup Revolution Reloaded Lush Delights Warm Palette. I normally always go for this gold here. Don't know, I just love that one. So I'm going to use that one as well today. And I'm going to use this color to just put it right here. Got my NYX Wonder Brow pencil in color nude. I always like run it on the back of my hand like this just to get it going, and I'm going to put that in my lash line. And if it gets black on it, again, because you know you have on mascara, you have on all sorts of stuff, if it gets black, just run it back on your hand and it will take off that black, so you can go in to get that bright color. Okay, so that's on. I also have this is from Sleek and it's a twist up eye pencil in Midnight. I've had this for years as well, and it still hasn't run out, and it's so black. It's so black and so easy to use. Told you guys I was feeling adventurous today, so I added bottom lashes, guys. All I did was took an old strip lash, cut it into pieces and just glued it and just inserted it underneath my lash line, not on my lash line, underneath my lash line. Simple. We're going to use the NYX Laundry Lip Gloss and it is in color Honeymoon. So we're going to put that on.